Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's pre-market analysis videos, we're going to be talking about the top stocks that you should be keeping in your watch list for today. They're looking great, and I think they really have some massive upside, so definitely keep your eyes on them, and we'll talk about them today. And also, I'm going to be answering some of you guys' questions who have been dropping your stocks of interest in the comment section of yesterday's video. For those of you who did that, we're going to go over some of those really quickly. So without further ado, let's get started. So right now, what you see right here is the SPY, and so far things are looking great. It was up by 0.60% yesterday, and now it's up by 0.99%. It's looking pretty good right now. So far, so good. I think it's going to keep going up. I'm not bearish on it at all. Yeah, I do think that we're gonna see some strength coming in within the coming few days. So definitely watch this one for sure. For those of you who are in the SPY, this one is a hold for me. I'm not too worried about it at all. So definitely watch the SPY. Now, the very first stock, right? The very first stock that I think is a great one for today is Cisco. And Cisco looks pretty nice. Cisco crushed earnings here, and what I like about the stock is that it's refusing to collapse. When a stock refuses to collapse, it's really a good sign. It's a terrible sign for short sellers who are in here, but it's a great sign for long bias traders. So watch this thing consolidate some more. If it doesn't go up today above $42, then maybe tomorrow about $42. But right now, it's just looking fine. It's consolidating sideways, and I definitely think it could make a move. If you look at it from the daily time frame, there is massive volume up here. This is a great hammer with a lot of dip buyers at the bottom. And if you look right now, it's about to open slightly higher at around 41.50. So definitely expect a push up today to around $43, if not 43.50. Yeah, if it decides to move today with great volume. Again, keep that in mind. If that doesn't happen today, it may happen tomorrow. Okay, so this is the very first one that is looking pretty good for today. The next one that looks good also is BA. For those of you who did not miss I believe Friday morning's video, I said specifically that BA was gonna go to 187, and it got to 187. Great, and now it's moving on even higher. Okay, so right now, is it a good buy? It may be. What I want to see is consolidation before the rise. If it goes up immediately, then I'll be a little skeptical. But right now, it's looking pretty good. If you got in here and it's still holding, don't get too greedy. Again, don't get too greedy. There might be other people in your shoes who might want to take their money off the table. And yeah, just again, this one looks good. And where do I think it may go within the next like few days? If it behaves nicely, if it goes sideways for a bit and then starts rising, I can easily see BA go to 202 or maybe 205 today. Okay, so definitely watch this one on your watch list for potential. Keep this one on your watch list for potential long. All right, that is the second one that is looking great. The next one that is looking great is Intel. Intel looks pretty nice. There is dip buyers are not letting this one go. They're not. It's like a battle between longs and shorts over here. I like it because it moved because of the gap up today. I like it because there is buyers stepping in. So watch this thing for a break above 46.20. A break above 46.20 and the stock could run all the way up to like $47 today. So yeah, definitely watch this one. Let's see how it is on the weekly. The weekly is not bad at all. Yeah, the weekly is not bad at all. Right now it's at $46. It's about to open right here. Okay, so it push up to like 48, like maybe within the next few days wouldn't be too bad. Like I don't think that's impossible for the stock to do. It can get there, and so definitely watch that one. Let's see how it looks on the daily. The daily looks fine. I don't have a problem with it. There is a bullish Sharami on the charts. So yeah, and it's about to open higher here. So yeah, keep this one on your watch list. It's looking pretty good. It's definitely looking good. Now let's address some of you guys' stocks that I think a lot of you definitely want to hear this. Let's look at Roku. Y'all have been asking about Roku and my thoughts on it, and I'm not bullish on Roku. I'm really not. I'm really not bullish on Roku. This is not good. This is really not good. Um, and I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all have heard the news about the new vaccine by Moderna, right? So you can expect all of these stocks, like the chill at home stocks, those ones to just fade. Like they're gonna take a hit. I'm pretty sure that they're going to take a hit. I'm pretty sure. I'm not too confident in their ability to go all the way. Like for example, like Roku right here, I don't expect this thing to go up to 240. I really don't. I really don't. Definitely nope. I don't think so. This might actually be a great opportunity for short sellers. The stock is kind of like a rolling over. It's looking like super weak. And personally, I'm not gonna put my money in here to go long. I don't. Nope. I don't see the opportunity there, and I don't like it for a long. That is my very honest opinion on Roku. The next one that you've been asking about is Netflix. And Netflix, again, same thing. Chill at home stocks. And this one, especially with that new news that came out about the vaccine, that one is I expect it to tank. I expect it to tank. The triple top is there. The selling pressure is still present. There's still longs strapped in here, and the stock wants to roll over some more. I want to see the stock drop to $430. I want to see Netflix drop that low. I want to see it. So I'm not bullish on it at all. Not today. Nope. I don't have high hopes for it today. If you find value in it, again, it's your money. You do what you want with it. I'm just here to share my very honest opinion. And honestly, I don't like it. I don't like Netflix. Like, unless it makes a surprise move and like it shoots up today for some magical reason and closes at like 490, then maybe I might have a change of heart. But as of right now, it's like no, I don't like it for long. The next one that y'all have been asking me to do an update on. Actually, let's look at Walmart. Let's see. Yeah, Walmart looking great right now. I covered it in yesterday's video, and I did say I was very bullish on it. And right now it's at 152. Do expect a move higher. They do have earnings tomorrow. Very risky. Okay, but then again, it's Walmart. Walmart like almost always like destroys earnings. It's all about how the reaction will play out. Will the reaction make sense? Or will the reaction not make sense? Okay. The numbers, I'm pretty sure the numbers are gonna be great, right? But then again, the reaction is what matters. Will the market like it to where the stock rises to 160? Will that happen? That is a 50-50 coin toss that if you want to indulge in, again, it's your money. Do what you want with it. I'm not bearish on it. As a short seller, I'm not going to put myself in the front of that. Pre-market is looking great. I do want to see it. Like, I really do want to see a good reaction to this. And then hopefully it opens up at like 153, you know? Hopefully that entire move doesn't just happen overnight. That wouldn't be too nice. Just a tiny gap up after earnings wouldn't be too bad. All right, so keep Walmart on your watch list. The next one that y'all been asking about is Workhorse. You know, Workhorse right now is about to open at 1935. Okay, 1935. If it follows this trend, I'm cool with it. I don't have a problem with it. Again, if it follows this trend and doesn't collapse like below $18. If it collapses below $18, you can expect the stock to tank all the way back down to like $10. Okay. I'm not even gonna like I have to be very strict about this. If it doesn't stay up here and it starts dropping and fading and then the selling volume looks like this, the selling volume looks like that. Yeah, you may want to be careful and you may see the stock drop all the way down to like $10. So just keep that in mind. Keep that in the back of your mind. I drew this last week and I left it there on purpose. All right, so just keep that in mind. Now, yeah, that is all we have time for. If you got value from the video, hey, definitely destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, if you're new to this channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on that notification bell and all notifications. That way you get notified whenever I release these pre-market analysis videos along with the post-market analysis videos, which are released in the afternoon. All right. These pre-market videos are released exactly 15 minutes before the market opens, as always, from Monday through Friday. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul and Guma and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB. The links are right there. You can find me on Instagram and on Twitter. If you're a beginner looking to get started in the stock market and you want to invest and make some money, I left some links in the description of the video, step 1 through step 4. It only takes 15 minutes to sign up. It's very easy. And you can also get 3 free stocks after signing up with Webull using the very first link below in the description, and 1 free stock after signing up with Robinhood using the second link below as well. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you this afternoon between like 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. All right. Happy trading. Do not get caught on the wrong side of the trade. And then one more thing. One more thing that I want to remind you of. Y'all remember when I said, if y'all recall the saying, buy the rumor and sell the news? I know there's a vaccine thing out there, right? The news is out. And personally, if you look at Moderna, if you look at Moderna, Moderna is at the like Moderna is right where I would get out. Just my humble opinion, okay? I'm just gonna leave it there. Have a great night, everybody. Happy trading and be very careful.